Hey traders, Jim here. I just want to go over a few trades today. I actually closed 3 positions because the market had just a great day and I got far enough out of the money that I was able to close these for pennies on the dollar. And it just made a lot of sense. This is a snapshot of my Thinkorswim account so you guys can see my live account. You can see that I closed the Carnival Cruise Lines May 15th for 26 cents. I'll show you the overall outcome of that based on what we got and everything else in a minute. I also closed Super Microcomputer May 15 25s for 12 cents. And I closed another microcomputer 8th of May for a nickel. So $5 on 100 shares or per contract. All right, let's go to Opti Trades and take a look at our trade journal. I've already logged these in. All right, let's take a look at Carnival Cruise Lines on the trade journal here. I'm going to go to close positions and we'll take a look at that 25 right here, May 15th. And if you hover over this, let me just full size this a little bit, bring up the size so you guys can see this better. And again, if you hover over the net premium, you'll see how this worked out. So you see $120 minus $26. That's what it costs to buy it back. And then, of course, minus the 2 commissions for each side of that. So net out is $92.80, and that was an annualized 20% return on that. All right, let's go down to the SMCIs. Here's the 25s, May 15th, 156.80. Hover over it. We bought it back for $12. Originally was 170, so very inexpensive. And annualized now is 35.8%. And here's the SMCI 26s, May 8th we bought back. This turned out amazing here. $115 minus $5 to buy it back. And this wound up being a 95% annualized trade. So not bad at all. All right, that's it. Just wanted to give you those. Now, the reason why I did not roll these, and I want to bring a point up to you guys, is that right now the market is at an extreme. It's just rallying hardcore. I'm going to wait for a pullback to go ahead and get back into some of these trades. I also wanted to reduce my SMCI a little bit. That really has rallied quite a bit, and maybe reduce Carnival Cruise Lines by a contract. And I'm going to be going to Opti Trades to look for another trade out of the AI picks. I'll see what the market looks like. We probably need a few days for it to pull back a little bit. And on that pullback is what I'm going to start looking for. And I'm going to look into the stocks here that we have in Opti's picks, okay? Or in the curated hand picks from Opti's picks. But I'll keep you guys informed on that, and I'll probably pick something out of here to trade. And it's www.optitrades.com. Come on over, sign up for a free trial, and we'll see you in there. Also, we've added a new community room. So in here, you can go in and we can chat. I can talk about the trades I'm taking live with you guys. We can do general conversation, wheel, or investing. That's all a part of membership. All right, so come on over, sign up for a free trial, and I'll see you guys over here. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It helps our channel a lot.